In this video, we will be going through questions 11, 12, and 13 of an AQA GCSE Higher Paper 1 Maths exam. So question 11 says the Venn diagram represents 100 items. Part A says write down the probability of A intersection B or A and B. This means the middle part of the Venn diagram where both of the circles intersect. So this part. So the probability of A intersection B is 13 over 100 because there are 100 items. Part B says work out the probability of A prime. A prime means everything besides A. So that would be all of this circle, so B, not the intersection part this time, and the sets outside the circle. So we would do 48 plus 11, which is equal to 59. So the probability would be 59 over 100. Part C says, work out the probability of A or B. So the probability of A or B means everything which is inside this circle, excluding the set. This set is not included. So we would do 28 plus 13 plus 48, which is equal to 89. So the probability would be 89 over 100. You can also write these probabilities as decimals and percentages. Moving on to question 12. Part A says A times 10 to the power of n is a number in standard form. Complete the inequality for the value of A. So A has to be greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. Part B says B times 10 to the power of n is the number 7200 written in standard form. Work out B times 10 to the power of negative n. Write your answer as an ordinary number. So we know that B times 10 to the power of n is the number 7200 in standard form. So that would be 7.2 times 10 to the power of 3 in standard form. We have to work out the value of B times 10 to the power of negative n. So that would be 7.2 times 10 to the power of negative 3, which is equal to 0.0072. So our answer is 0.0072. Question 13, part A says, here is a number machine. Show that when the input increases by 2, the output increases by 2a. So originally, if we look at this, we have the input x is going to be multiplied by a, added with b, and then the output is going to be y. So we can also write this as x times by a plus b is y. Or you can also write this as y is equal to ax plus b, which makes a bit more sense. Now, it says that show that when the input increases by 2, so that would be x plus 2, the output increases by 2a. So over here, we will change x into x plus 2. So y is equal to a times by x plus 2 plus b. Now we just need to simplify this. Y is equal to ax plus 2a plus b. So here we have shown that when we increase the input by 2, the output increased by 2a. Because originally it was only ax plus b, but now we have a 2a. Part B says fx is equal to kx squared, where k is a constant. Chi says that f6 divided by f2 is equal to f3 because 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Is it correct? Show your working to support your answer. So according to this, fx is equal to kx squared. f6 divided by f2 would be f times 6 squared over f times 2 squared. This f would simplify out, so from the numerator and the denominator, 6 squared is 36, 2 squared is 4, which simplifies to 9. But he's getting the answer of 3, so that shows that no, he is not correct.